Hello everyone and welcome back to another video on our Lifestyle Family A and B channel. Today we are going to be talking about the weather in Darija, Moroccan Arabic, and also in English. So whether you are an English speaker learning Moroccan Arabic or you speak Arabic and you would like to improve your English, this video is for you. We're going to learn to ask what is the weather like and what is the temperature. So let's get started. All right, this first picture here is a scene from Morocco, and we have the weather on the left with the temperature in degrees Celsius at the top, Fahrenheit at the bottom, and we have the question of what is the weather. For this, I'm going to have my friend help me, who is a native Darija speaker and can pronounce things much better than me.
كي داير الجو كي داير الجو كي داير الجو الجو is weather الجو مشمش الجو مشمش الجو مشمش مشمش it's sunny شحال درجة الحرارة عندكم شحال درجة الحرارة عندكم شحال درجة الحرارة عندكم درجة الحرارة 18 درجة سلسيوس درجة الحرارة 18 درجة سلسيوس درجة الحرارة 18 درجة سلسيوس شحال درجة الحرارة عندكم شحال درجة الحرارة عندكم شحال درجة الحرارة عندكم درجة الحرارة 64 درجة فahrenheit درجة الحرارة 64 درجة فahrenheit درجة الحرارة 64 درجة فahrenheit.
And now for our English pronunciation. What's the weather? What's the weather? What temperature is it there? What temperature is it there? It is 18 degrees Celsius. It is 18 degrees Celsius. It is 64 degrees Fahrenheit. It is 64 degrees Fahrenheit. And we use the Fahrenheit system of temperature measurement in the US, and in Morocco, the Celsius system is used. And now we're going to switch gears from weather in Morocco to weather in the US, which lately has been very cold. Again, we have our temperatures on the left here with Celsius on the top, Fahrenheit on the bottom, and we will be discussing the weather report for the US, what's the weather, and what is the temperature. And like before, my Moroccan friend will be helping me with the pronunciation for this portion.
كي داير الجو كي داير الجو كي داير الجو الجو is weather كي داير الجو كي داير الجو كي داير الجو الدنيا مغطية بالثلج الدنيا مغطية بالثلج الدنيا that mean in the world convert مغطية convert بالثلج it's snowy الدنيا مغطية بالثلج شحال درجة الحرارة عندكم شحال درجة الحرارة عندكم شحال درجة الحرارة عندكم درجة الحرارة منخفضة لناقص 3 درجة سلسيوس درجة الحرارة منخفضة لناقص 3 درجة سلسيوس منخفضة it's negative. منخفضة لناقص 3 that means it's negative 3 degree. degree it's درجة. درجة الحرارة 27 درجة فahrenheit. 27 it's 27. درجة الحرارة 27 درجة فahrenheit. درجة الحرارة 27 درجة فahrenheit.
And now we will switch back over to English with pronunciation. What's the weather? What's the weather? What temperature is it? What temperature is it? It is -3 degrees Celsius. It is -3 degrees Celsius. It is 27 degrees Fahrenheit. It is 27 degrees Fahrenheit. So now you know how to ask about the weather, ask about the temperature, and you have an idea of how to form sentences to tell what the temperature is, and we can do this in Fahrenheit as well as Celsius. Now we need to know some more general weather terms for other weather conditions other than it's snowy and it's sunny. So my Moroccan friend is going to help us with that one more time. But this time I want to do something a little different. Instead of putting the English on the screen, I want you to just look at the pictures, listen carefully to the darija, try to repeat it, and see if you can guess which weather condition it is referring to. The pictures will help you remember them better, and I'll play it a second time with the English. Let's see how you do.
الجو بارد. الجو بارد. الجو بارد. كتصب شتا. كتصب شتا. كتصب شتا. الجو سخون. الجو سخون. الجو سخون. الجو معجج. الجو معجج. الجو معجج. الجو مغيم. الجو مغيم. الجو مغيم.
All right, so let's see how you did. We're going to go through them one by one and focus on pronunciation for our English learners. So the first one is, it is cold. It is cold. The second is, it is rainy. It is rainy. The third one is, it is hot. It is hot. And the fourth one is, it is windy. It is windy. And the fifth one is, it is cloudy. It is cloudy. All right, that's it for today. Thank you for watching our video on weather expressions. Be on the lookout for a video to come soon, very soon, on colors. And it will include some sentences for you to practice. Thanks for watching Lifestyle Family A and B. See you soon.